We are currently staying in the Texarkana RV Park in Texarkana, Texas. When you pull off the main highway into the RV park, the office is on your left. And you'll stop at the gate and go check in, and then they will close the security gate. This is once you enter the gate into the RV park. They do have a nice swimming pool area here and a playground in the back. There's a variety of sites here. There are back-in and pull-through, and they are 50 amp with full hookups. There is a cute little pond here on the left with cabins for rent. Have a nice little dock area. You can go down and sit and watch the water. There's always ducks, geese, all kinds of birds around the edges here. And off beyond that on the left are the full-time residents. And to the right here are the traveling residents. We are staying on the traveler side. The sites are long enough for our fifth wheel and truck. They aren't very wide. You have to make sure your slides aren't going to hit the posts in between. At the end of the traveler section are the restrooms with showers, laundry, and game room. There are lots of grassy areas around here, which is nice if you do have dogs with you. Some of the restrooms. This is inside one of the restrooms. And the shower stalls. They have 6 of these large showering stall bathrooms and parking here. The back side of the building is the Anderson Clubhouse, an event center that you can rent for special events. They have a large, very clean laundry room here, and there are some vending machines and a changing machine if you need it. There's a covered patio on the back of the building with outdoor seating. They have cornhole out here, and in the back corner there, they have a dog run. Along the back side of the park, they have a large grassy area, field. There's shade trees, good place to walk your dogs. And they have a playground over here for kids with swings, merry-go-rounds, etc. This is our site, and this is a good RV park. Like I said, it's a little tight in the spacing as far as the slides go, but we really like it. It's It's clean, it's quiet. You can see how our slide is just missing the neighbor's patio and pool. We haven't had anyone next to us, so that's been good, but it has been a good stopover in Texarkana. They do take Passport America, and our discount is approximately, we're paying about $30 on the discounted nights. So if you're in the area, check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Jeff and Steph's Excellent Adventure. Take care.